In this video, we're going to show you various methods to remove background from your images using Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin. Adobe Photoshop offers several methods to remove backgrounds efficiently. Here's a breakdown of the most common techniques. The first way is using the Remove Background tool. To use that, open your image in Photoshop. In the Properties panel, click on Remove Background. Photoshop will automatically generate a mask to separate the foreground from the background. Now, refine the mask using the tools in the Properties panel to adjust the edges to your preference. Finally, replace the background by dragging and dropping a new image onto the canvas. You are done. For more precise selections, especially with objects that have clear edges, the Pen tool is ideal. Here's how to go about it. Open your image in Photoshop. Now select the Pen tool from the toolbar and use it to create a path around the subject. Next, convert the path to a selection. Finally, create a layer mask to isolate the subject. And there you have it. And that's it. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for Adobe Photoshop and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.